So what we're given is the acceleration, and they even give you the units. It's 2t plus 4 in meters per second squared. So what you have to do is think about how the derivative of velocity will give you acceleration. I don't like how I wrote that. So you have to think about how you're doing the antiderivative. So I'm adding 1 to the exponent and then divide by my new exponent. 2 divided by 2 will give me 1 plus 4t. I'm just going to write plus c here because we have that statement that v of 0 equals negative 12. So if I plug in 0 here and 0 here, I'm left with c equals negative 12. So the first question is, what's the velocity at time t? Well, it'd be t squared plus 4t, and I have to plug in 12 in there, negative 12. So now what I can do is I can set that thing equal to 0 and factor it. So